Hello, you are welcome to Goz's Kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make a delicious and healthy Efo Riro for your party instead of giving it to a caterer. By the way, if you are new here, you are welcome to my kitchen. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my delicious recipes. Yeah, in this cooking, I'm going to be making 2 big pots of Efo Riro for a party. So all these ingredients have been divided into 2 portions. So here I have pepper mix with a lot of onion. I blended the green, red, yellow, whatever color you like, an onion, and I blended everything, and a habanero pepper. And I have dry fish, I have iru, I have Maggi seasoning. You can use chicken bouillon. I have cow feet, smoked turkey wings, momo, baked mackerel fish. I have a video of how to make that. It's very cheap to make it yourself. I have red oil. I have fresh spinach vegetable. I bought 3 boxes, which contain, each of the boxes contain 6 bags. So because the fresh one tastes more better. So, but it depends on the choice. If you like frozen one, it's fine, but it tastes more better. So here I have the boiling water on the stove already to blanch the spinach. So I'm just going to leave it in the boiling water for like few minutes because I don't like to overcook it. And I'm going to rinse it under the tap with cold water to stop the process of cooking. Yes, I have a pot heated up on the stove and I'm adding my oil. You can as well use vegetable oil if you don't like using red oil. My pepper. Yeah, we can see the stew has cooked for like 10 minutes, and then we can see that the oil is already coming on top of it. That shows that it's drying up. The excess moisture or water in it has been cooking down. So we're going to let it continue to dry more. After all the protein has cooked for some few minutes, so I'm going to be checking the salt to make sure if there's no need for any adjustment. But now this is very perfect. There's no need for any extra salt. So after the stew has been cooking for like another 8 minutes, so I'm checking it and we can see that the stew is thickening up. Yes, that is exactly what we want. So I'm going to make sure that the seasoning and everything is perfect and the aroma is really everywhere. Now it's time to add the spinach, and I'm going to make sure that any excess water will be squeezed out. Yeah, this vegetable soup, this Efo Riro, is a very versatile one. It can be used to eat any swallow. You can use it to eat rice, yam, plantain, just anything you like it to. It's very versatile. It's not too dry and it's not watery. It's very, very moderately textured. Yes, because the vegetable is a lot, so I'm going to be stirring it as I'm adding it. So to make sure the vegetable is not too much for the sauce or the sauce is not too much for the vegetable. What I normally do is I usually take out, if I see that the sauce is a lot, I take out some sauce before I add vegetable. So if I realize that the vegetable is still a lot and it needs more sauce, I will return the sauce back into the pot. Yeah, everything has been added, so I'm just stirring everything together and I'm going to leave it for like 2 minutes without covering it to make sure that everything combine and steam together, because I always love my vegetable to still retain the greenish color, so as we can see here. Yes, after 2 minutes, I took it off from the stove so that the vegetable can no longer cook, and I have to leave it open so that the heat can escape. And so we can see that we just made 2 big pots of Efo Riro at a very cheap price, and it's even more healthy. We know what we have in it. If you make it by yourself, you know what you have in it, and it's very delicious and healthy, and it tastes better because it's fresh vegetable. So whatever you think about this video, kindly leave it under the comment section, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe so that you can receive more of these videos like this from me from time to time. So thank you for watching. Watch more videos on my channel. See you in my next. Remain blessed. Bye bye.